Episode 1, introducing Powamoto, the series, The Adventures of Sky Champion. Welcome, and thanks for watching the Powamoto channel on YouTube, where we take motorcycle enthusiasm to new heights. On Powamoto, we chase our dreams just as hard as we chase first place, and we never settle for second best. I am Sky Champion, the host of the show, whose main goal is supporting my community. Follow me as I take you on a journey into the exclusive world of the hardcore motorcyclist on Powamoto. Watch as I showcase and give back to community support through donations on Powamoto Charity. Please sponsor on Patreon today. And watch as I showcase motorcycle riding. And as I showcase touring. And as I showcase reviews. And as I showcase builds and customizations. And as I showcase stunts like you've never seen before. And as I showcase the arts. And as I showcase women riders. As I showcase the Powamoto Gang. And as I showcase training. And as I provide tutorials. And as I share with you safety for your motorcycle riding. And as I showcase gear. And as I showcase motorcycle accessories. And as I showcase upgrades. And as I showcase beautiful models on Powamoto.
Subscribe, share, comment down below. Be a real player. Powamoto. Say it with me. Powamoto. Yeah, Powamoto. Come race me. You fake YouTubers. It's on.
And I came to
Powamoto.